Hi everybody, let's make marshmallows at home. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So, let's we start with ingredients. You need 4 tablespoons of gelatin, 1 cup of water, 1 glass of water. Mix it well. Now place it into your oven for 1 minute. On the other hand, take 1 large cup of sugar and 1 glass of water. So now cook until sugar dissolves in water properly. Now check if sugar is dissolved or not. Now boil your water properly and add that gelatin mixture into the sugar syrup and take your the syrup and the mixture out in any bowl. Now let it be cool, and now it's time to beat. Make sure your beater is comfortable with heat, otherwise let it be cool and then beat. So after beating for 4 to 5 minutes, it will be turned into white color. Check out its thickness. Now I'm adding food color. If you have powder food color, just add 1 tablespoon of water into your food color and mix it well. Kindly note its thickness, it matters a lot. Now I am adding green color in another half of my mixture for just the beautiful color or exciting things. Now I'm preparing my molds. Add some oil. I'm using silicone mold. Make sure you also use silicone mold. It's convenient, it's easy to use and it works well. I am mixing just green color and pink color together. And just pour your mixture into your mold beautifully. Kindly like and subscribe to my channel. Okay, so tap. Now rest them for a few minutes and just now sprinkle some cornstarch. Now just take your marshmallow out from the mold in cornstarch, because cornstarch will help it to dry properly. And check how jiggly it is. It looks so cute and soft. Now remove some cornstarch from your marshmallows and serve into your serving plate. If you like this recipe, give it to a thumbs up and also try this recipe at your home. Do let me know about this recipe on my Instagram, QuickTastebyMK. Thank you so much for watching this video.